Top 5 Best Oscilloscope for Beginner. Number 5. Rigol Digital Oscilloscopes. Rigol DS1054Z digital oscilloscope dimension is 13 by 7 by 5 inches, and the weight is 6.6 pounds. The device can analyze mixed signals, and the device has a low noise floor. The display size is 7 inches, and the resolution is 800 by 480. The memory depth is 24 MPTS with 50 MHz bandwidth. It has 4 analog channels, and the real-time sample rate is up to 1 GSA per second. The waveform capture rate is up to 30,000. What we like: digital fluorescent display, low noise floor. The waveform capture rate is 30K. Coming in number 4. YEAPOOK Handheld Digital. YEAPOOK ADS1013D Handheld Digital Tablet is the best handheld oscilloscope for beginners. The device's weight is only 1.32 pounds, and it is ultra thinner. It has 2 channels and 100 MHz bandwidth. The sampling rate is 1 GSA per second, and the screen is 7 inches diagonally. The screen is also touchscreen. Standby time: the battery is super long. It is made of high-quality lithium, and the battery capacity is 6,000 mAh. What we like: super long standby time, Lysages figures display and FFT analysis function. The device is lighter and thinner. The device body is ABS material. Coming in number 3. Siglent Technologies Digital. Siglent Technologies SDS1202XE is a 2-channel digital oscilloscope with storage, and it is of very high quality. The real-time sample rate of the device is up to 1 GSA per second, and the bandwidth is 200 MHz. The memory depth is 14 MPTS. An excellent signal with very low background noise makes this device more practical and easy to understand. The dimension of the device is 10 by 15 by 17 inches, and the weight is 5.51 pounds. This device captures a real-time instantaneous signal with detail of repeated calls. What we like: serial decoder included, innovative SPO technology, advanced math functions and FFT, auto measurements with statistics. Coming in number 2. Handtech Digital Storage. Handtek DSO5102P is the best oscilloscope for beginners. Because it has so many user-friendly features, especially for beginners, and it is easy to operate. It has U-disk storage, where the user can store more than 1,000 waveforms of information. If a user wants to upgrade the system, they can do it several ways. The device's weight is only 6.55 pounds, the display is about 7 inches large by diagonal, and the display is a 64K color TFT LCD with a resolution of 800 by 480. Users can clearly and easily see any measured alternating current. What we like: automatic measurement function, remote control. Users can upgrade the system, store 1,000 waveforms information. Coming in number 1. Siglent Technologies Digital. Siglent Technologies SD1104XE oscilloscope has 4 channels, and the bandwidth is 100 MHz. The real-time sampling rate is 1 GSA per second, and the waveform memory is 14 MPTS. The waveform capture rate is 100K per second, maximum, and 400K frames per second in sequence mode. The display size is 7 inches in diagonal, the dimension of the device is 10 by 17 by 15 inches, and the weight is only 6.61 pounds, so it is easy to carry. The device has Wi-Fi facilities, so the user can control the device remotely using Wi-Fi. What we like: it has 4 channels, remote controlling system, LAN and USB interfaces, secure erase feature.